Hey guys, in this video you're going to learn how to optimize WordPress website, speed up website tutorial 2019. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I make a lot of WordPress tutorial plugin reviews and how to build an online brand, so please consider subscribing. So by the end of the video, this would be your page performance. It's gonna go up really high. For me as well, I'll tell you exactly what all steps I did to make this page speed score from 50 to 97. This is my website right now. It has a lot of data on the front end. It has a lot of blog posts, filters, everything's over there. So I'm just gonna show you exactly what I did. So I have just created a sample website. Okay, so this is my website right now. So I'm just gonna show you my website. I've created a sample website and this is how my website looks. So see, as you could see, it's taking time to load. This is my website. It's a sample website made from Elementor, and I'm using Astra theme, and I've just done a GT metrics. The score still shows good, but then again the page load time and the page speed score is really little high. This one's really high and this one's really weird. Even I think so for some of you guys it's gonna be 50%. So I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First things first, you need to go on the waterfall model, click over here, check what's taking time. So if you add up all these things, it's gonna come up to 5 seconds. So this shows what is taking a lot of time to load. So as you could see, all these free images and PNGs are taking a lot of time to load. So few things which you could do is, if I go on the page speed, I check optimize image, it shows everything is good, but then this one image is not optimized, which is this image. So you need to optimize all the images on your website, and there are a lot of free online tools which you could use. This you have to put the image over here and it's gonna optimize it for you, so which I've already done it. So I'm just gonna show it to you. I'm just gonna click on Elementor, okay, and then I'm just gonna switch the image to the compressed one. So this is my website right now. I'm just gonna click here, remove the image. So I'm just gonna show you the difference. As you could see, this is 3 MB and this one's what, 70 KB. So it's a huge difference. I'm gonna insert media, update. So that's done. Now the second thing I'm gonna do is, you need to install this plugin called Auto Optimize. Okay, it's a free tool. So I've installed it. Now I'm just gonna show you the setting. It's 3 simple steps. You just have to just click over here, optimize JavaScript, then optimize CSS and optimize HTML code, and save changes and empty the cache. Now that's the first step. The second step is you need to install this WP Rocket, one of the best cache plugin available. Currently I don't have any discount and it's not a free plugin, it's a paid plugin. But if you want, I have some coupons because I just purchased it for unlimited websites. So they gave me coupons if you need it. I just have like 5-6 coupons. So if you need it, please message me down below. I can give it to you. So now you need to install this. So first thing I'm going to install. So I've uploaded the plugin and I'm just going to install it. So now it's installed. I'm just going to click on activate. So once it's activated, I'm just gonna go back and I'm gonna find out, go on settings, then no thanks, click on cache, enable mobile cache and make this to 30 hours, save changes. Once this is done, then you need to go on file optimization. Just leave this as it is. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Click on media, click on lazy load, disable this, disable WordPress embeds, save changes. Then on add-ons, you have to go on add-ons and activate Rocket Cache or Cloudflare. It's a free CDN, guys. So you need to install this thing. It's a free CDN. You can just go to Cloudflare account. It's a free account. You can just create an account and make a CDN and connect your website with the CDN. Once this is done, you don't have to do anything about this, and just save changes. So just come on media, making sure I've saved changes. That's it, guys. It's very simple, don't complicate it. I'm just gonna retest this website. So now, as you could see, there's a big difference, 98. And if I get this CDN, which is the CDN which is Cloudflare, even this would go down a lot, and even this would go down a lot, and this would make at least 99%, and your website would load much faster, and even the page speed would go down. So guys, it's really simple. You don't have to make it complicated, because same thing happened with me. I was at 50% and I was wondering what should I do. Very simple steps. Buy this plugin WP Rocket, install auto optimize. Where did it go? This one and these two, and just connect Cloudflare. It's a free CDN. That's it, guys. Don't make it more complicated. That's it. And I hope if you find this valuable, please let me know, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna make a video out of it. Thank you so much.